AMD is about to shake up the graphics card world with its upcoming monster GPU in 2025, and the big question is, will it be faster than the RX 9070 XT? With rumors of insane core counts, lightning-fast GDDR7 memory, AI-powered features, and next-level ray tracing, this GPU promises to push gaming and professional workloads to an entirely new level. In today's video, we'll dive into everything you need to know, from leaked specs and performance predictions to potential design upgrades, cooling innovations, and why this could be AMD's most powerful GPU yet. So, if you're ready to find out whether AMD's monster GPU will dominate the market, stay tuned because this is going to be epic. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The graphics card world is buzzing with anticipation as AMD gears up to release what many are calling their monster GPU in 2025. A card that promises to redefine high-performance gaming and professional computing, and the big question on everyone's mind is whether it will surpass the already formidable RX 9070 XT in speed, efficiency, and overall power, offering gamers and content creators alike a truly next-generation experience. AMD has been making waves with its RDNA architecture, and each iteration has brought notable improvements in performance per watt, ray tracing capabilities, and AI-driven processing, which is why rumors surrounding this new GPU have sparked such excitement, as insiders hint at unprecedented core counts, massive memory bandwidth, and cutting-edge fabrication technology that could potentially push frame rates and rendering times to levels never before seen in consumer graphics cards, promising smoother gameplay in 4K, higher refresh rates, and improved performance in demanding applications such as 3D rendering, video editing, and machine learning. Early leaks suggest that AMD may implement a combination of higher clock speeds, optimized power delivery, and next-level thermal design to ensure that this monster GPU not only outpaces the RX 9070 XT but also competes aggressively with NVIDIA's top-tier offerings, challenging the current market hierarchy and offering users a compelling reason to upgrade. Especially for those who crave high-end gaming at ultra settings or need raw compute power for professional workloads, as the card is expected to feature significantly expanded memory, faster GDDR7 modules, and advanced cache systems that dramatically reduce latency while improving efficiency, all while maintaining AMD's commitment to affordability relative to performance, which has been a key differentiator in previous launches. Beyond the hardware specifications, AMD is reportedly working closely with developers to optimize games and applications for this new GPU, ensuring that the software ecosystem fully leverages the enhanced capabilities, such as AI-accelerated rendering, adaptive ray tracing, and advanced machine learning features, which could fundamentally change how games are played and content is created, delivering more realistic lighting, higher fidelity textures, and smoother frame pacing, all of which are critical for competitive gamers, streamers, and creators pushing the boundaries of what current hardware can achieve. Speculation also points to the card supporting PCIe 5.0 for ultra-fast data throughput, along with improved power efficiency through smart energy management, potentially allowing it to maintain high performance while minimizing heat output, making it suitable for a wide range of PC builds, from compact cases to high-end workstations, and opening doors for overclocking enthusiasts to push the limits even further. Comparisons with the RX 9070 XT are inevitable, as benchmarks leaked from early test units hint at impressive improvements in both raw shader performance and ray tracing calculations.